In this chapter, you will learn what is IoT, what is microcontroller, what is Arduino and why Arduino, role of Arduino in IoT, applications of Arduino, and study of some hardware components used in this course. Nowadays, one of the trending technologies is Internet of Things, that is IoT. Here simply we are just taking the things and connecting them to the internet. See this picture. And when something is connected to the internet, that means it can send and receive the information. This feature makes the things smart. Let us take example of smartphone. Right now you can watch and listen to just about any video in the world. But it's not because your phone actually has every video in the world stored in it. But it's because every video in the world is stored somewhere else. And your phone can access that video with the help of internet. All the things connected to the internet are of three types. First is things collect the information and send it. For example, sensors such as IR sensor, temperature sensor, soil moisture sensor and all. These sensors collect the information from environment and alert us or help us to take the right decision. For example, soil moisture sensor senses the water level in the farm and alert farmers in case of dry condition for the crops. Second is things that receive information and act on it. Let us take general example of printer. It receives print command and it will print a document. And the third is things to do both, that is send and receive the information. As I said earlier, soil moisture sensor senses water level and alert the farmer. But you don't actually need a farmer. Instead of that, we can build automatic irrigation system so that in case of dry condition for crops, the signal sends to the motor and it will turn on automatically. When there is a sufficient water to the crops, it will again send command to the motor and turn off. So this system is doing both tasks, sending and receiving commands. This whole system can connect to the internet so people can access the information from anywhere at any time on any device. Before entering into IoT, you should know what is microcontroller and its role in various systems. So, microcontroller is small and low-cost microcomputer which is designed to perform specific tasks of embedded system. It is in IC form, that is integrated circuit. This chip is often used in device in your home such as washing machine, camera, TV and all. Microcontroller can select channel and reading state of buttons of TV. It can also control image capture in digital cameras. There are so many examples in our daily life. And microcontroller having processor and memory, serial ports, timers, counter, then programmable input output pins. From that pins, microcontroller can read or write analog or digital data and connect directly to the real world. The job of processor is performing arithmetic and logical operations, and the program in microcontroller is usually stored in EPROM. All these components are mounted on a single chip, which is called microcontroller. Now I will introduce you our friend Arduino. Arduino is microcontroller board. See this image? It is open source, that is license free electronics platform and based on easy to use hardware and software. You can build so many IoT applications by this Arduino. It is a brain of IoT based system. You can tell this board anything by sending set of instructions, that is read input from analog or digital sensors, then activate light or motor. To communicate with Arduino, you can use Arduino programming language, Arduino board and Arduino software IDE. The question is raised, why Arduino? There are so many boards in market. Then why only Arduino? Because Arduino software and its board both are user friendly. Even school kids can handle it. Means from beginner to advanced user, anyone can use it. Many projects can build in low cost. It is a key tool to learn new things. It's a license free, that is open source platform. and can run on any operating system like Windows, Linux, Mac and all. Its coding is very easy and simple. Anyone can learn it easily. Arduino plays a major role in IoT because IoT is nothing but controlling devices via internet. And Arduino acts as a connecting bridge between devices and internet. There are many sensors, relays, various modules which you can connect on Arduino. Then program your Arduino board and control that device via internet. So simple. It makes devices smart. Also, you can control your home appliances through internet by using Arduino and sensors. For example, turn on and off your light or fan from remote place. You can do that. By using this Arduino, devices can talk with each other remotely. There are so many applications of Arduino like home automation, DIY projects, sensor based system. For example, system in farming, then healthcare system and all. Then robotics means we can build beginner to advanced level robot. Then drone, aerial photography. Hence, using Arduino, we can create intelligent system by collaboration of computer and electronics. Finally, I am going to introduce you some hardware components required for our course. First is Arduino, which I have already explained. Then breadboard for mounting components temporarily. It is rectangular board with bunch of tiny holes. Then male female connectors which are used for connecting various components. These are few sensors: IR sensor, ultrasonic sensor, soil moisture sensor and sound sensor. We will see all these sensors in this course one by one.